Hello, welcome to my channel again. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have restarted this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the Forex pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD and many more. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar Swiss franc for 18th March 2021. So this analysis is for 18th March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 19th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Okay, so let me take out the pencil first. So you can see that the beautiful love story of the US dollar Swiss franc is over. Okay, the uptrend is over and right now market is in range. Okay, and you can see that I have drawn two lines here, one red line, okay, and one green line. So this line is the support 0.9. Sorry, I'm extremely sorry about the bad drawing. Okay, 0.9211, and the resistance, this green line is the 0.9376. As I mentioned, the love story is over and right now we are in a range. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? And if you have been watching my videos then you know I trade from level to level. Okay, so strategy is simple. If market goes up and reaches this level, observe the price. Okay, I mainly focus on observing the price, understanding the market psychology. That's it. So if market goes up and hits this particular level, this resistance 19376 level, then just observe. If you see that price is struggling at the resistance, then it is clear that yes, sellers are there in the market and they are not allowing the price to go up. And if you see that price is struggling and price is price is getting rejection from above, you are seeing, or if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern or a big fat red candle, okay, so that is the confirmation that yes, you can short the market. So once you get a confirmation about the price struggle, you can short the market below this level. In case market crosses the resistance, then wait for 1 hour, 2 hours and just observe how the price is doing. If you see that the price is trading comfortably above the resistance for 2-3 hours, and if you see that yes, the price is not struggling, it is quite comfortable enough, okay, then it is clear, or it will be clear, that the resistance has become the support, and then you can go for a buy above this line. Okay, but you need to get the confirmation, wait for 2-3 hours. Okay, that's it. And in case market comes down to this support again, 0.9211 level, okay, again observe. Okay, observe, understand, try to understand the market psychology. Okay, if you see that price is about to bounce back from here, that means that the support is still valid. Okay, support is still valid. Okay, and if you see that price is getting rejection from below like this, in the form of a hammer or a big beautiful green candle like this, then you can easily buy above this level. Okay, you'll be making 20-30 pips easily. And in case market crosses this level, then just make sure that the price is being supported by volume, because market was in beautiful uptrend. Okay, that's why you need to uh, check out the volume as well, and just make sure that price is trading, or the market is trading below this support level for at least 2-3 hours. Okay, you need to have the confirmation, because overall market was in uptrend. Once you get a confirmation that yes, sellers are dominating the market now, they are not allowing the price to go up, then you can short the market below this level. Okay, so this is the analysis for US dollar Swiss franc for 18th March. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much, good luck and see you tomorrow, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.